Alright everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video of mine. If you're watching this video, I really appreciate your support on I keep track of the views daily and just asking God to bring people my way and use me to sow seeds for him to water. I told God even before I recorded this video, I was like, give me the words to say, and I thought about just reading his word. Today's video is going to be about basically how important it is to read your word daily. My wife and I, we always hold each other accountable on our readings. Don't get me wrong, if you forget one in 2 days, it's even pushing it, that's a problem. The reason why I say that is, look at it like this. When's the last time you ate your meal? When's the last time you ate a snack? When's the last time you put something in your stomach? If you're feeding yourself food more than the word, that's a problem. And I think about it when the devil tried to tempt Jesus. Jesus was, can you first of all put into perspective not eating for a couple days? Jesus didn't do it for 40 days. He didn't eat for 40 days. And the devil tried to tempt him, say, hey, eat this bread, turn this stone into bread. And you know, Jesus said, man should not live by bread alone, but by the word of God. And that's very true. I told Elena, you know, I put it into perspective of eating and diet. Something I felt like God told me to tell you guys was, when you don't eat healthy, and I definitely am guilty of that, was guilty of that a lot all my life until I met Elena, and even after I met Elena, it doesn't really ever satisfy you. I could eat a whole box of pizza and 15 minutes later, 20 minutes later, I want more. It's just like in the world, when you're living in sin, when you're not getting that fulfillment you need, whether it's money, fame, fortune, I mean, you name it, anything you could think about, anything you're struggling with today, is never gonna satisfy you. What will satisfy you, putting into perspective both ways, health. When you eat more nutritional dense meals, you get filled a lot quicker, and you really can't find yourself binging on healthy foods. This is not coming from someone that was like super healthy or a health guru or super health fanatic, because my wife is that. But this is coming from someone that was, you know, really unhealthy in the inside, but never really looked like it on the outside. And once I started eating cleaner, you know, it really has changed my life. And it's a lifestyle, it's not a diet. I don't believe in the word diets. And again, it's the same thing with your walk with Christ. You can't be going back and forth, and you can't dine with the devil and dine with angels as well. You're either for God or against him. And I hate reading like actual just books. I've always hated reading. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like my English isn't too good, and I feel like I always use that as an excuse. But you know, reading God's word is so important for your soul, for your mind, everything, all the above. And even from a secular perspective, it's good intellectually, because there's so much wisdom and knowledge in the word. It's a living thing. So I wanted to share with you basically how like I could read daily. First off, I wanted to just suggest like Living Water sent me this, but it's like daily devotionals. Now with devotionals, they're a supplement. They're not the full meal. Next thing that I want to say is something called the Action Bible, which is pretty amazing. Let's see. Action Bible. With this, what's pretty cool is it goes through the Old Testament and New Testament. It's not word for word, and it's not like exact in the point of like the way it's laid out on the regular Bible. The Gospels are in here. The main message, the meat, is in there. I would recommend getting that, especially for kids too. I try to read this to my kids every now and then. They rip it every time I read it to them. Read it. I mean, I love this thing. And then finally, of course, it's my handy dandy Bible. I got it, funny story is I got this one and my wife's pink Bible the first year we got married, and it's been going strong. This Bible means a lot to me. This is the main thing what you need to be digesting daily. The importance of your walk I used to think this, and I was so ignorant and naive. My wife would used to be kind of hard on herself, and even on me. She was like, "Have you read?" I was like, "No, I haven't read." A couple days, I don't know, 3 or 4 days went by, and when you do that, you quench the spirit. And the reason why I say that is because having intimacy time, quiet time with the Lord is something that nothing can replace. Not your YouTube. Thanks for watching this video this long. Not any social media. No, just anything on your phone, video games, mobile games, stuff like that could ever fill you. And you know, think about it like this: a relationship is built by putting in effort with Christ. And I'm not saying that you could earn your way to heaven, because you can't. But something that you need to understand is it's a relationship with Jesus. And with a relationship, you want to put in effort. You want to make your spouse happy. You want love. And Jesus gives you all love, and he deserves it too. So read daily, read something. Even if it's in a devotional in the Bible app, download the Bible app, and you know, stay strong in your faith. Also, at the end of the video, I have to mention somebody that has been really encouraging me, and I suggest you to check out. It's called Krib Ministries. He is so amazing, and I love how God is using him. If you are watching this, Joe, thank you. Thank you for everything you do. I'm praying God uses me the same. And take care. May Yeshua bless you. Take care.